Okay. Alright, so, this is part 3. Okay, a second. So I was just second clipping. Okay, this is my page, Jocelyn. And let's go. Cause I keep forgetting her phone number. But do you understand? No, you. No, do you understand? Yes. What? She really ain't got a chance to talk. I'm gonna do part 4. Bye.